As an elementary science trainer for a district with almost 150 elementary schools, I sometimes collaborate with teachers that work almost an hour away. OneNote allows us to work on the same document. For example, on this document, I was working on a third, a fourth, and fifth grade unit, and another teacher was working on the same thing, and we were trying to get all the materials and websites into one place. So while she was working on her house, every time she uploaded a video, she put it on this, and I did the same thing. And the great thing is, all you have to do is go to File, and then choose Share, and then you can invite people. So I went ahead and then invited my good friend Mary, who was collaborating with me, and I gave her the choice. You can either have them edit or just view, and of course I want her editing because I want her adding things. So when I did that, it says require user to sign in before accessing that document, and definitely want her to do that. So I'll go ahead and click on that and say OK. Now she has access to the same document. And the interesting thing is, as she's typing in her information on this, I'm actually seeing it. And we can be on the phone and she'll type something in and then I'll add something else. And we could do it at the same time where we're both accessing it simultaneously. So we make sure that we're not typing in the same area so that we're not overriding each other's work. Another example of a great thing to do is I'm chairperson or co-chairperson of the Science Olympics in our district, and a lot of times people are asking questions about the rules. And so we've made a Science Olympics frequently asked questions that they can access. Every time somebody has a question, they go ahead and email me. I post their question, and then I post the answer. Sometimes I have diagrams, so everything in black were the questions that they asked, and the red things are the answers that I gave them. Now the nice thing is you go back to File and say Share, and this is where I would type in the names of all the science contacts for the schools, all 150 science contacts, and share that with them. But I don't want them to edit because I just want them to see what I wrote, but I don't want them changing things. So I change it to Can View, and then I go ahead and share. And now all the teachers that are chairing for their school now have that information. They can see any updates, and if they don't see their question there, they can always send me an email and I can change it, and they'll, since it's in the cloud, they'll get the access as soon as I change that information. Hope this information helps.